The greatness of a plant is not measured by the volume of its structures, but by the certainty of its yield. Every second of downtime or inefficiency in lead oxide storage represents an invisible, yet constant financial hemorrhage. These CAM silos and conveyor systems are not mere ironwork. They are pure engineering applied to the flow of your production. The cylindrical roller conveyors move material with millometric precision, eliminating operational risk. The stability of your chemical and physical process depends on the consistency of material handling. Where others see heavy machinery, we guarantee the continuity of your profit and the long-term protection of your investment, powered by the Continuity Protocol 365. Remaining stuck in the status quo carries a real, measurable cost every single second. Choose CAM to sleep better.